LUCINDA, Bachelor of Songwriting Music Production, take 1. Action. What really got me into studying this course was my passion for creation and continuing to explore, music not as an overall skill, but how I could use music to continue to shape my identity and continue to impact people around me. When I started the course, being a little bit lost in Melbourne and not knowing what was the next step, it was incredible to connect with a community of artists who aren't originally from Melbourne and are from all over the world. I experienced a lot of pushback and a lot of bullying in high school when I was making music. I was the only person really writing music and really playing originals. I walked away with the ability to launch my own label called Displaced Records. It's kind of, a homage to my younger self when I started the course, being a little bit lost in Melbourne. And I think that's been one of the most rewarding things of my course is through Displaced Records, creating community, allowing people to feel like they can be the person they are, wherever they are. What does this award do for my future? It shows me that hard work gets you places. Every time I did assessments, I made sure that what I was doing was what I loved, not what I thought someone else would want me to do. Just push yourself to do something different, to be different, because higher education is so freeing in the fact that you have so many opportunities and you have people who specialize in what you love and want to see you succeed.